So far, we've heard from two brilliant tech entrepreneurs. The third in the lineup is Lucas Carlsson, the founder of Hedvig. Lucas. Lucas has props, so we're going to help him. Lucas.
Hi, my name is Lucas, and I work in one of the most disliked industries of our time. If you go to the Urban Dictionary and you look for the definition of this industry, this is the one that the crowd has jointly agreed upon. It's a business that involves selling people promises to pay later that are never fulfilled. I will give you a couple of hints. First of all, it's something that you're all using. Everyone typically is, whether they like it or not. It's also very successful from a profit perspective. And if you think about what it's really all about, it's about helping people in need to get back on their feet. The answer I'm looking for is insurance. Today, I work in insurance, and this seems to be the way a lot of people think about insurance. Me and my co-founders found this to be very interesting, so we spent a lot of time trying to figure out why this is and really understand the root cause. And we actually ended up finding the answer right under our nose, because as suggested by the crowd, it has something to do with the underlying business model of insurance. And I think we all know how it works, but I'll just recap it very quickly. You pay your insurance bill to the insurer every month. No problem there. The problem arises when you need help, because then the insurer has every incentive to make it tough to get paid. And the more they can refrain from paying out, the more they can keep in profits. And I've seen this dynamic at work from the inside of the insurance industry, and I felt a strong need to do something about it. So I started Hedvig 1 year ago together with John Adelius and Fredrik Fors. Hedvig is an insurtech company that offers renters and homeowners insurance in partnership with one of the largest reinsurance groups in the world. What we have done is that we have redesigned the underlying business model of insurance to make it fair. That works in a slightly different way. Instead of 100% of the insurance bill going to us, we only charge a flat fee for our services. The majority of the money goes into a claims pool, and that claims pool is actually owned by our users. So whenever they need help, they can get an instant payment from the claims pool. And if there's any money left in the claims pool by the end of the year, that money does not go to us, because again, that would give us the wrong incentive. So what we have chosen to do is donate it to a charitable cause selected by our users. With that mechanism, we make an important contribution while we also make sure to remove the conflict of interest that has infected the insurance industry for so long. So instead of focusing on making claims tough, we focused on making it radically simple by using technology. And I can actually show you how that works, because I need to make a claim right now. Something happened to me this morning, and if you don't mind, I'll just go ahead and report it. All right. Let's see. Hello, Hedvig. My name is Lucas, and this morning I was feeding my fish and reading Pride and Prejudice on my Kindle at the same time. It turned out to be a terrible idea, because I dropped the Kindle into the fish bowl, and it looks like it's completely broken. And I bought it just 3 months ago for $200, and I actually really enjoyed the book. So if you could please help me out, that would be amazing. Thank you. So what happens now is that Hedvig analyzes my claim to see if she has all the necessary info, and she also completes a fraud check to see if I'm eligible for an instant payment. So let's hope for the best. So that's how simple insurance can be if you want it to be. Thank you so much.
What? I am so stoked right now. Disrupting the insurance industry. Fantastic.